Climbing the steps feels like crossing into another era. The gates welcome you into a space steeped in heritage.
The octagonal tower, Phuoc Duyen, was added in 1844 and is now the face of Hu's spiritual skyline. Beyond it lies a peaceful world of prayer halls and manicured gardens.
Perched above the Perfume River, Thiên Mụ Pagoda stands as one of Vietnam's most iconic and ancient religious sites. Built in 1601, it has watched centuries unfold.
The tranquil courtyard and old walls whisper stories from dynasties past. Locals still come here to pray and reflect.
Even the bonsai trees seem meditative. The great bell, cast in 1710, once echoed across the river.
Inside, incense smoke curls upward. Monks chant softly. The rhythm of tradition continues.
Seen from above, the harmony between architecture and nature is breathtaking. Thiên Mụ isn't just a pagoda, it's a story etched in stone and spirit.
As the day ends, the Perfume River reflects the fiery sky. Few places offer such peaceful closure to a day of discovery.